Alright, well I figured I'd make a quick little video here. It ain't going to be very long, but I was going to do a little warning here on these Chrysler products, Dodge, Jeep, any of them has a 3.6M, I think even the 3.2s. If you start hearing a ticking sound in your valve train, you might want to get checked out before it goes too long, because I don't know if you can see here or not, but this cam lobe here is 8 off. You can see how tall this one here is supposed to be. This one here, you hear my finger catching on it. Yeah, it's 8 it all off. What causes this is these things had rocker arm failures, and if you listen, see how much play it's got in it? Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. All the needle bearing rollers fall out of it. It's supposed to be tight, like these other ones. So now I got to put a new camshaft in it, and I'm going to replace all the rocker arms on this cam in the back. This is the intake, that's the exhaust. So you can actually do it in the car, but I'm not going to make a video on the changing them on this. But if you go over and check, I think it's Online Mechanic Tips out, like I think it is. He does a really good job explaining it, so go over and check him out on YouTube. But I'll show you the cam here once I get this pulled out here in a little bit and show you how bad it is out of the car. Okay, I got the cam out. So you can see here, that does not look too good at all right there. Let me see, it's supposed to be smooth like that, but it looks like that. And what causes this is the one that this was on, this one right here, the roller in it, as you can see, has dropped down right there, and it's been chewing in the top of that rocker arm. Well, what happened was the needle bearings fell out of this, and it's actually locked up. See how it's all like oblonged in there? If I can get this thing to move. Yeah, like that right there. And I actually found another bad one in there while I was in there, just down from it. If I can get it to do it, but hear how it's making that noise? What it's doing is see that right there? There we go. The needle bearings in this one's starting to go bad too. So this is a very common problem on these, and you know, if you got one of these, you might want to get checked out. I got the back on there. It's really not that bad of a job to do. First time I ever did one of these. I've did some overhead cam engines in the past, but none of these. But I went ahead and replaced every rocker arm and last adjuster on this cam, and the same with this one back here. I took this one out too, put it all back in there. So I got finished putting this thing together. I got to torque all this stuff down, and this oil control valve here also, because I had it off. So like I said, if you got one of these and you hear it ticking, might want to get it checked out before it does something like this, because these cams are not cheap. So thanks for watching.